Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 4.3. Question number 1. Name the angle in the given figure. So here they have given one quadrilateral to us. The name is ABCD. Quadrilateral name is ABCD. We are going to write the name of the angles. The first angle is angle A. So the angle A can be written as either it can write, this is the first problem, angle A, or the angle A can be written as, this is a point of A, so this started from this line and it's going in this direction, so we can write it as DAB. So we can write it angle DAB. Only one thing you should keep it in mind, this angle should come in the middle. That angle should come in the middle. That is a representation of the angle. Suppose if you want to write angle B now, second angle we are going to write angle B. So angle B can be written as, this line is coming from A, going to B and passing through the C. That is the angle of B actually. So we can write A, B, C. The B should come in the middle. Then only it will be representing angle B. For third angle, angle C. So can be written as angle C, or we can write it as C. From B the line is coming and it's passing through the D. So this is a line coming from B passing to D. So B, C, D. Like this we should write. Last angle is D. So fourth angle, D can be written as, the line is coming from C, then touching the D and going to A. So we have to write CDA. That is a correct angle for D. Like this we should write it. We'll move on to the next problem now. So here comes our question number 2. Draw the rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one point in common. Only the rough diagram they are asked you to draw. So we have drawn a diagram here. AOB is one angle and COD is another angle. Two angle we have considered. So for these two angles, this point is common. This O is common for angle AOB and the angle COD. They having one point in common. That is a diagram for the first question. We'll move on to the second problem now. These remaining problems you can do only the rough diagrams. We'll move on to the second question now. Second question. So in the given diagram, name the points in the interior of DOE. Interior means inside. Inside of DOE is our first question. So look at the diagram. DOE. This is the angle DOE. What is the point is given inside they are asking? That is A. So A is your point, interior point of the angle DOE actually. Now in the exterior of EOF, exterior means outside of EOF. EOF, this is my angle EOF. So this is my angle. So out of this angle, what are all the points we are having? They are asking you. So A is out of this angle, D is out of this angle, the C point is also out of this angle only. So we can say that A is out of the angle, C is out of the angle, the D line point also it's out of the line only. That is the exterior points. Look at the last one, angle EOF. On that angle itself, which point is there they are asking. So this is my EOF. So on this angle, on this line, which alphabet you are getting one extra alphabet, that is B only. That is on the angle. So B is your correct answer. That's all students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.